Have you ever had to find a way to make some extra cash? I know that feeling all too well. But now there's a new way to get paid on the go. And you can do it right from your phone. In this video, I'll show you a free app that lets you make money on the go, Itis, available for iPhone and Android devices. It's 100% free and takes just seconds to sign up, no experience required. You will get paid instantly. It's a convenient way to make some extra cash from home, at work, or wherever you are. Just watch the video all the way through, and if you are new here, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you can learn the latest ways to make money online. Now let's get started. Are you looking to earn money while giving your quick thoughts and opinions through short polls and surveys for known brands? You can do so at any time and anywhere by answering branded surveys on the go. With Cheddar. Cheddar is a paid survey app that may help you make some extra cash. It's a legitimate app since users really get paid for their participate in surveys. It is so simple to earn money with Cheddar. Just register and participate in high-paying branded surveys, give your valuable opinion, and earn money per survey. You can cash out your earnings immediately with a $5 minimum cash out. Using Amazon, Visa, PayPal, free brand vouchers, and more. Surveys are constantly updated and rated. There are new surveys to earn money daily. These can be in the form of short opinion polls or surveys for market research. Cheddar app allows you to earn more side income or substitute a part-time job. Start earning money today by answering surveys that help businesses understand the market better. Utilize your free time purposefully and earn some extra cash on the go from your smartphone. I hope this video has helped you in some way. If you found it valuable, give me a big thumbs up, comment saying, "I like it." Don't forget to share it with your friends, and check out also other videos for more making money methods. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to follow for more.